Hey, Remarkable Lifers. So it's KJ sans ball cap. The reason is Craig and I are going in to get our faces done in Catrina for the Los Muertos trivia tonight. So, yeah, I think we're going to get some clips of that for y'all to see.
Yeah, me too. I'm getting it done too, so let's see how this works. I'm a sweater, so I think I'm going to sweat all this darn stuff off.
No!
Anyway.
It's going to be something heavy, or you're not going to feel like overwhelmed with makeup or anything.
Very cool. What do I use to take it off?
Water. Just some wiping maybe,
Okay.
and then water.
Okay, cool. All right, Craig, you should be getting used to this is a good practice run for your makeup.
And then we put, we can put setting powder if you are very sweaty.
That might be
I don't know
good.
if I should do your entire face or leave the beard out.
The Day of the Dead in Mexico has become one of the most iconic festivals in this country, or really any other. It is very notable and very recognizable by the image of the Catrina. The Catrina in Mexico is everything. The origins of this is actually from a painting in 1912 called Calavera Catrina, which was done by the Mexican artist Jose Guadalupe Posada. And her name wasn't Catrina back then, it was the Great Dame of Death. And under this kind of ruse of really kind of almost making fun of or pointing out a political type of a thing, the indigenous Mexican women at that time were rejecting their roots and trying to pass as European. And they would use old clothing of the wealthy to dress up, even though they were starving and were very thin and didn't have much money, maybe even dirty. And this was kind of a satire on that situation at the time. It was the famous Mexican painter Diego Rivera who took the work of Posada and gave it some strength with his paintings and his images of a full-bodied skeleton and a lady that became the central piece of a mural called La Catrina. And this mural really showed the current image of what you would see as a Catrina. Go.
Ready? Go. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. Wow.
You got sparklies, you got...
Wow. That is really cool.
The Day of the Dead, or Dia de Muertos in Mexico, is becoming famous worldwide. It was actually made very famous, and when it really took off as a cultural celebration, as a cultural event around the world, was from the movie, believe it or not, in I believe the 2000s. It was James Bond or one of those movies that starred Daniel Craig, and they went through the parade in Mexico City, and it became a phenomenon. Although it started out as a bit of a pejorative towards the indigenous people who were trying to become like the European folks, it actually ended up becoming a symbol of Mexico and a symbol of celebrating and remembering family and friends and loved ones who passed away. This image is iconic, and you cannot miss it. But there is no limit to the artistic and creative expression that can be done with those who paint makeup, those who create them out of paper mache, those who create these different images and sculptures of the Catrina. I've been glittered.
You're gonna see sparkling all night long.
Oh yeah. Probably in my sleep.
You're not sleeping.
Uno, dos, tres.
Oh my God. That is amazing. He's jealous.
It's good.
Wow.
It's really good.
Okay, I did not expect this. This is
I
amazing.
know.
Wow. I think this is my new look. So I'll be here at 7 o'clock every morning. Just do my face. This is amazing. Okay, so y'all, we just got our makeup done at JJ Beauty Salon Ajijic. This is amazing. Look at this. And guess who I have here?
The one and only. Nah, just kidding.
That's right.
JJ. So, go ahead.
No, go ahead. Yeah.
So what I did today, it was really quick. It was last minute. So, I wanted to make them look different. They're going to an event. And we started off our Day of the Dead celebration. They're going to be the first two to get it. So, yay. And I'm going to be doing makeup. And we're going to be selling the headpieces and everything on November 2nd. Here at JJ Beauty Salon, and I'm located at 16 de septiembre, number 2, letter C. There's no sign, it's just a gold screen door, and it's next to Dental Bright. Or if you're more familiar with La Dildoria, I'm only 3 doors going towards Lake Chapala Society, where we're gonna be doing makeup, and we're gonna be serving drinks, food, so that we can have a party going and mingle with everyone. Looking amazing like this guy.
Awesome.
Let me put the camera towards you so people can actually
Thank
see
you.
it.
It's
Get over
amazing.
here.
Let's get the close-ups.
So check it out. We'll have JJ's WhatsApp information in here, so that way you can reach out in that way. You can also reach him on Facebook, and we'll have the link there for you as well.
Yes.
All right, check out down below in case there's any other information.
Feliz Dia de Muertos.
Adios.
And now to reveal the completed looks, complete with everything KJ made for the outfits at our Dia de Muertos Trivia Night. That's right, we hold our monthly trivia events at Lucky Bar in Ajijic. They are free to attend right now, and check out our Facebook for future events. Now, there's more than that coming, so stay tuned.
Los Muertos Trivia. All right, so before we get started, we have a special wild card mulligan as advertised for every team, where the team members all showed up in costume. All drinks consumed in the establishment must be purchased at Lucky Bar. Please do not come in here with your own drinks. It just ain't right. We're adults. We all know how this works. All right. Okay, this Sunday, Mary's Island will be playing here at Lucky Bar.
You are the winner. All right, that's a great one. Well, you look amazing. Thank you.
Thank you to Judo and Mimi for hosting Trivia Night at Lucky Bar, and thank you to everyone who came out. We genuinely appreciate everyone who dressed up in costumes. There were some amazing costumes this time, and Rebecca won the costume contest. Check out our Facebook for complete information, and check out these final looks at our Dia de Muertos makeup. And if you haven't already, go find your truly remarkable life. Feliz Dia de Muertos.